I will show you how to get the best start to building wealth as a teen, using nothing but your wits and AI tools. Most people wait, but you're about to level up. Picture this. It's late, rain tapping your window, and you're on your laptop while everyone else is scrolling mindlessly. But you're searching for something more. AI isn't just for tech geniuses or billionaires. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, Midjourney, and Opus Clip are right there, waiting for anyone bold enough to use them. This teen, he jumped in. He learned, tested, and started offering AI-powered services on Fiverr. The first order? Nerve-wracking. The first PayPal notification? Unforgettable. Every late night, every graph trending up, every payment receipt ping. Proof that age is just a number. Wealth doesn't wait for permission. It rewards action. You have the same internet, the same tools. So what's stopping you? Your future isn't built by waiting. It's built by what you do today. Step out of the shadows. Build wealth now. Don't wait.